Okay, let's have a 5-minute game today, and Wolverine, okay, and FM. Morra Smith, Gambit. Okay. Let's try it with let's not Bishop G4. Some Roxy bind. Okay, I just want to play. What do I want to play here? Just create some weaknesses. Just use the C file, try and get pressure on the C file. Or the E file. If I put my bishop back on B1, play B3. Well, mind you, B5 at some point. Bishop B1 and B3. Okay. B3 just to get off that diagonal. I think it's a pleasant position, pleasant pressure. Okay, if I play something like knight H2 just for F4, does that keep a lot of pressure in the position? Like knight F1 maybe, knight E3, then F4. Is it too slow? There's F4 and F5, that might be interesting. Try and dent the king side here. Right, let's go for this bishop, potentially. FG looks pretty dangerous. At least this bishop's activated. Get this one out. Mind you, C4 is a bit vulnerable. Okay, he doesn't want to lose G6 though. Any nice little tactic here? If I take, there's Queen H5 potentially. Or Bishop, Rook E5, Bishop G6. So knight E5, Queen H5 threatens Rook E5. I think I'll just go with that. Queen H5 here. Use that pin. Threatening Rook E5. Queen G6 looks pretty vicious. So check King H1. Okay, I think Rook E5 here. Pretty dangerous, surely. We mate in 2 actually, check on H7. Let's check here, maybe just Bishop F2 attacking the Queen. Bishop F2, I think it's like Queen sack or anything. I think it's fairly safe. Okay, so what's going on here? It looks as though it might be busted for black. I thought this bishop was going to be good on that diagonal. Should we quickly review the game while he's thinking? So Morra Smith declined. I played more quietly than usual, perhaps. Not minding this Roxy bind type position, just looking at this bishop on this diagonal. I think this was quite interesting, just avoiding the exchange, keeping some tension there, avoiding the exchange. And now this And that was useful anyway for the f pawn to advance by f4 f5 here. That's good tempo gainer, unless he wants to play g5 to stop that. But f4 f5 starts to be dangerous. So g6 is vulnerable. Okay, okay, he's moved. Okay, so maybe he's not getting mated.
Check.
If I just check and use the F file, so if I check, and there's bishop g6 after, anything better? What about just rook f1, threatens queen h7, there's no bishop f6 there, so he plays a check, king h1, I don't think there's any defense. There's e4, bishop e4, okay, there's bishop, no, I think rook f1 is one of the winning moves, probably multiple, because check and rook f1 is also pretty dangerous. I think rook f1. But this keeps the pin on the bishop here. Okay, so oh, the check is a cheapo check. I have to take the queen. Oh, as I lose the queen, yes, that would be embarrassing. Check, I just have to take the queen. Okay, resigned. Okay, fun game that one. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.